Hello student, good morning. Today our lesson is number 8 from unit number chapter number 1, reviewing legacy modifications, copies and enhancements. You will be able after this lesson to perform legacy code review. These lessons are totally for educational purposes. You should verify the knowledge on SAP Learning Hub to test in your practical life. So SAP Standard, SAP Business Application, and then Modification, Enhancement. In modifications, assistant, user exits. In enhancement, ABAP directory, tables, data elements, domains, customer exits, business transactions, event, blah blah. So this is the basic review of legacy codes, main topic, and we will go ahead. In indirect modification covers three possibilities. Number one, copies of SAP objects, and implicit enhancement at begin and end, class method overrides. These three possibilities in legacy code modification. Don't worry, I am speaking clearly this topic. You can download from my transcript of this video and put in Google Docs, make a notes. Don't need to write even a notebook with hand. So listen and then download the transcript and refine with ChatGPT in the Google Docs and make notes on this topic of SAP. So I am again speak clearly. The work stream encompasses several options that have been used by the customer over the years. A modification is either direct or indirect. A direct modification is a change to an SAP object. Sometimes the change is done by customer as part of an SAP node directive. Other times changes are done to directly change an object's behavior. And indirect modification covers three possibilities as I explained earlier: copies of SAP objects, clones, implicit enhancement at begin and end, class method overrides. Several tools are available to find code done under these categories: transactions codes, SPDD, and SPAU or SPAU_ENH. There is also a clone finder tool that can be used. As mentioned previously, one of the foundational principles of clean code is a zero modification approach. So the project team should proceed as if code that falls under these categories will be eliminated. This approach is validated upon analysis, as in almost all cases the project team determines that a modification is either obsolete due to it being identical to an SAP version, unused according to the usage statistics, irrelevant, that is, indexes are rare on SAP S/4HANA, replaceable, that is, capable of being redesigned as a key user in app extension if a previous modification is required to support business functionality and cannot be redesigned under SAP S/4HANA extensibility. options, then the customer should contact SAP for advice on how to proceed. Best of luck. If you find help from my this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Best of luck. Tomorrow we will study the next one topic, specify a migration scope using the custom code migration app.